Namaste, Lasso Fafullah. Welcome to the project area of NSP. Right now I am here at Jagathali. Let me spell for that you. Jagathali, Jagathali. I have with me President of Nepal School Project, Nepal, Babulal Ghalan. And joining him is Kunsan Mokhtan, the Secretary of NSP.
Namaste.
Prem Bahadur Shangtan, Central Committee Member of NSP. And Roop Bahadur Ghalan. The main purpose for us to come here is, since you, executive member of Nepal School Projects Canada, are unable to visit Nepal due to pandemic, COVID pandemic, so we thought we would go to the village, shoot a small video showing the progress of the project areas and what works are being done. So that was the main purpose for us to come here. And as you can see in the background, the school last year visited by NSP Canada executive members, and the school was donated by Arvind family. So we are going to talk to the locals here. You can see the local people here. We have the ward commissioner of this area. I have with me Mr. Bir Bahadur Waiba. He is the ward commissioner of this ward. हामी चाहिँ तपाईहरुको गाउँमा आयौं हैन सकेको हामीले कामहरु गरिरहेछौं कस्तो लागिरहेछ तपाईहरुलाई
एकदम खुसी लागिरहेछ हजुरहरुले यो गर्दिनु भएकोमा हजुरहरुले एकदम मुरी धन्यवाद र आवश्यकता अनुसार फेरि पनि तपाईहरुले यसो समस्याले समाधान गर्दिनु हाम्रो अनुरोध
Mr. Waiba thanks NSP for whatever NSP has done here. He says he's very happy and he expects NSP to do more in future. अहिले चाहिँ हामीले यहाँ खानेपानीको परियोजना सञ्चालन गरिरहेका छौं हैन यहाँ पहिला खानेपानीको सुविधा थियो थिएन के थियो अहिले के कस्तो छ
थियो अलि कम नै थियो अहिले चाहिँ अलि लाभदायक छ अहिले
So talking about the drinking water project, he says that though they had drinking water in the past, it was not sufficient, but since NSP came here they are more happy because many more people they have been benefited by the drinking water projects. अनि यसमा चाहिँ अब भविष्यमा यहाँ कस्तो कामहरु अझै तपाईहरुलाई चाहिएको छ के होला जस्तो लाग्छ के गर्नु पर्ला हामीले
हजुरहरुले यहाँ सक्नुभयो भने अझै पनि यहाँ सिंचाइको व्यवस्था गरि भने जग्गा जमिन प्रशस्तै छ पहिले यहाँको किसान मजदुरहरुलाई यहाँ उपलब्ध हुने उपयोग गर्ने भूमि प्रशस्तै छ यसमा सिंचाइको आवश्यकता छ
When I asked him about what more he wants, he says like there are a lot of brazen lands over here. So they need irrigation for cultivation. Irrigation is the main problem here. The lands, they are dry, they don't have enough water. So if NSP could help in irrigating those lands, it would be more beneficial for the villagers, he says. Dhanyavad. And now I would like to invite another person who is the president of Consumer Committee of Drinking Water Project. So this gentleman here is Prem Bahadur Lama. He is Tamang. He is the President of Consumer Committee of the Drinking Water Project. मलाई बताइदिनुस् न यहाँ तपाईहरुको अहिले कति घर धुरी खानेपानी पुग्छ अहिले हाम्रो टोटली 44 घर छ So he just informed me that a total of 44 households they are enjoying the drinking water installed by NSP. अनि त्यसमा चाहिँ स्कुल लाइफ फेरि बेग्लै छ स्कुलको के छ स्कुल लाइफ पनि त्यसै गर्छ वडाकारले समेत 36 So he again informed me that the school children, they go to the school and they use the same water, and even the ward health post office. And you must remember that more than 500 students are learning in this school. अनि अर्को कुरा नि त्यो जुन ट्याङ्की माथि देखियो नि हामीले त्यो चाहिँ कति क्यापेसिटीको थियो कति छ त्यसको क्षमता So the tank that we just saw, the tank has a capacity of 11,000 plus. It can store the water there. And the main source, the source of the water is almost 1,300 meters above.
योभन्दा पनि कति जीवनहरु राम्रो दिगो हुन सक्छ
Again, Mr. Tamang says that he expects NSP to do more in this area, be it in irrigation, be it in drinking water. The locals here have been focusing on irrigation, as they say that they have dry land, brazen land, which is very dry, and they need irrigation for that purpose. Dhanyawad. Now I would like to invite the principal of the school, Mr. Hom Bahadur Waiba.
यो अहिले जसरी नेपाल स्कुल परिजनबाट निर्माण भएको यो भवन छ यसले हाम्रा साना बच्चाहरूको निम्ति चाहिँ एक किसिमको उत्साह र पहिला हामीले जसरी 10 कक्षासम्मकै बच्चा एउटै रुममा एउटै भवनमा पढाइराख्दाखेरि र अहिले यहाँ छुट्टै उनीहरूलाई शौचालय सहितको धाराको व्यवस्थापन गरिसकेपछि उनीहरू धेरै खुसी र सर मिसहरूलाई पनि म्याडमहरूलाई पनि पढाउनलाई चाहिँ अलि राम्रो भएको.
So as you can see, Principal Waiba, he's been talking about the school built by NSP, donated by Arvind family. He's very much thankful to NSP. He says now, in the past, the students going for kindergarten, as well as the high school students used to study in the same school, same building. But now, since this school has been built, it's all separated. This kindergarten students, they come here. The teachers are very happy. They have separate toilets, separate drinking water taps. So he's very thankful towards NSP. अनि यसको सरहरूले चाहिँ यसको मेन्टेनेन्स र रखाउमा चाहिँ ध्यान पुऱ्याउनु भएको छ. त्यस्तो केही बिग्रिसकेको छैन
अहिलेसम्म त्यस्तो केही छैन, एकदम राम्रो छ.
He says that the school is being looked after very nicely. It's been well maintained. The teachers are very happy. अब अरू के थपी हाम्रो के जानुहुन्छ संस्थाबाट
हाम्रो संस्थाबाट अरू संस्थाबाट अलिकति हाम्रो यहाँ अलिकति छेउ चाहिँ भत्किएको छ चौरको होइन एउटा अलिकति चौर गरिदिनु भने अर्को कुरा बच्चाहरूलाई हामीले एउटा उता बनायौँ भवन बनायौँ. अब त्यसमा चाहिँ सानो बच्चाहरूलाई खेल्ने चाहिँ एउटा सामानहरू सहितको एउटा ग्राउन्ड अथवा यसैमा चाहिँ त्यस्तै खेलकुद सामग्रीहरू अनि अन्य शैक्षिक सामग्री लगायत हामीले योभन्दा अगाडि पनि उहाँहरूलाई एउटा रिक्वेस्ट पनि गरेका थियौँ बच्चाहरूलाई अलिकति ड्रेसका कुराहरू होइन. अनि त्यस पछाडि ब्याग त उहाँहरूले ल्याइदिनु भएको थियो. त्यो ब्यागले पनि बच्चाहरूलाई धेरै किसिमको उत्साह जागेको हुन्छ. त्यस्तै किसिमको अब कम्प्युटर प्रोजेक्टरबाट पनि हामीले त्यस्तो गर्न चाहिँ सहयोग उपलब्ध भयो भने त्यस्तो तालिमहरू लगायत सामग्री समेत व्यवस्थापन गरिदिनु.
He just showed me a place where the soil is broken, and so he wants NSP to repair that. Besides that, he also wants some sports facilities in this premise, like for small children, and also some computer equipment so that they could show it in a projector. Those kind of things. And he says that he's already given a list of things that he wants to NSP Canada during their last visit last year. Namaste, Lasso Fapula from a place called Simle. Many of you from NSP Canada will recognize this place. We've been here in the past. I have a gentleman. He is the chairman of the school management committee. He wants to talk something on behalf of the school. Namaste. तपाईँको शुभ नाम?
निरबहादुर वाइबा।
He is Mr. Neer Bahadur Waiba, chairman of the school management committee. तपाईँको यो क्षेत्रमा एनएसपीले के काम गरेको छ अलिकति भनिदिनुहोस् न।
तपाईँको एनएसपीले चाहिँ हाम्रो खानेपानी मर्मत गरेको छ अनि शौचालय बनाइदिएको छ, हाम्रो गाउँभरि र हाम्रो स्कुललाई पनि बनाइदिएको छ।
So he informed me that NSP has done drinking water projects here, done the maintenance and also the toilet projects, and they have a toilet in the school as well. अनि अब एनएसपीले अरू के गरोस् जस्तो लाग्छ तपाईँलाई?
बाटो बनाउने होइन,
बाटो बनाएको थियो
पहिला बाटो बनाएको छ अनि
विद्युत बनायो।
दोस्रो अहिले चाहिँ हामीलाई चाहिएको चाहिँ अब स्कुललाई टारफर घेरा मार्ने र गेट बनाउने अनि स्कुलको पछाडि भागमा चाहिँ ग्यापिङ उठाउने काम छ।
The gentleman informed me that in the past he just remembered that NSP had even constructed a trail road in the village, and now he wants the school to have a fencing. He wants NSP to assist on that, and a wall built, a Gabion wall built behind the school. तपाईँको गाउँको सबै बच्चाहरू चाहिँ 5 क्लासमा चाहिँ पढ्नुहुन्छ?
5 क्लास पनि।
He just informed me that this is a primary school. They have classes up to class 5, and after that, the students willing to learn more have to travel 2 hours from here, either to Gokule or to Gharti Chhap to study. I have another gentleman with me. He is a local, a very kind-hearted man. Actually, we were hosted by him, Mr. Ratna Bahadur Yonjan. He was very generous and kind. All of us were hosted by him yesterday. मैले उहाँ के भन्यो भने हिजो राति तपाईँको आतिथ्य हामीले पायौँ होइन, मिठो खाना खायौँ, राम्ररी सुत्यौँ र त्यसको लागि तपाईँलाई चाहिँ एनएसपीको तर्फबाट धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद होइन। अनि पहिला पनि हामी यहाँ आएको थियौँ होइन, अहिले त धेरै यहाँ परिवर्तनहरू भइसकेको छ। एनएसपीले पहिला गरेको कामहरू के थियो, अहिले के अब अझै तपाईँहरूलाई के अपेक्षा छ, के गरोस् जस्तो लाग्छ?
अब एनएसपीले गरेको पहिला चाहिँ हाम्रो पहिला सुरुमा बाटो बनाएको थियो, त्यसपछि सुरुमा एनएसपीको तर्फबाट पहिला बाटो बनाएको थियो, अनि त्यसपछि हाम्रो विद्युत पनि भयो। अब मानव अहिले भनौँ कि अब अहिलेको अवस्था गर्दै विद्युत अलिकति नराम्रो भइरहेछ, तर किनभने अब टोयलेट पनि बनायो, शौचालय, अब खानेपानी पनि मर्मत गर्नुभयो, अब स्कुलको लागि पनि शौचालय बनाइराख्नु भयो, शौचालय यहीँ छ होइन। अझै पनि हाम्रो स्कुलको लागि आवश्यकता चाहिँ तारबार हाम्रो यहाँ ग्याबिङ, यो स्कुल पछाडि अलिकति ग्याबिङ राख्नुपर्ने भन्ने चाहिँ हामी चाहिँ एनएफसी हाम्रो तर्फबाट एसएमएले चाहिँ यो माग राख्न चाहन्छौँ।
Mr. Ratna Bahadur just informed me that NSP has been doing a lot of things in this village from the past since very long time. He just informed me that NSP had built a trail road, and besides that NSP has also done drinking water projects, and lately, very recently, some 3 years ago, NSP completed the toilet project, and he wants, being a local himself, he wants NSP to do the fencing of the school with the compound wall and with the Gabion wall. अरू केही तपाईको एनएसपी को हाम्रो क्यानाडामा बस्ने उनीहरुलाई केही भन्नु छ? केही छ
एनएसपी को तर्फबाट तपाईहरुको केही यो भन्दा अर्को नयाँ प्रोजेक्ट छ भने हुन त एकैचोटी त हुँदैन, हाम्रो चाहिँ माग चाहिँ अझै पनि केही तपाईहरुको नयाँ प्रोजेक्ट छ भने अझै हामीसँग तपाई सल्लाह गरेर माग गर्न चाहिँ चाहन्छु, तर हामीसँग त्यो नयाँ छ भने थाहा हुँदैन, छ भने हामी माग गर्न चाहन्छौँ।
Mr. Ratna Bahadur says if there is any new project to be implemented, he along with the villagers over here, locals, would like to welcome that, and he would like to thank NSP for whatever NSP has done in this part of the village. Thank you so much. Dhanyavad. we've reached a place called Charkila. This place is almost 1 hour's drive further from Mahadev Tar. I'm standing in front of a building built by Michael almost 20 years ago. The building got damaged during earthquake, and it is in this condition. There is no one to look after this building. No other organizations have come to repair or to do the maintenance work. So we just wanted to show you this building in a very dilapidated condition. Thank you.
सबैभन्दा ठुलो चाहिँ पानीकै समस्या
The gentleman just explained me that they are having a lot of difficulties with drinking water. पानी पहिला ठिकै थियो.
पानी थियो अहिले रोपेर अब सबै चक्न सुरु भयो.
They had drinking water earlier, but all those infrastructure have been damaged due to expansion of road. There are almost 50 to 60 households in this village. अरू केही तपाईँको समस्याहरू केही?
अनि एउटा हाम्रो यहाँ राम्रो स्वास्थ्य चौकीहरू छ एकदम खाँचै हो.
So I just showed you the health post over there. Now this gentleman says they need a new health post right here in Charkila, in this place. हुन्छ यहाँहरू यो पहिले बनाएको रहेछ
पहिले बनाएको माइकलले बनाएको पाइप पनि माइकलकै हो अहिले चालु भयो.
So yeah, he just informed me that Michael had in fact worked here in this area a long time back, but since then nobody has come to this place. धन्यवाद.
Namaste, I am Jit Bahadur Lama, working as an accountant in NSP Nepal since 3 years. I look after accounting of NSP in the past. Everything was done manually, which means that accounting was done in double entry bookkeeping system. But since 3 years, we have installed software through which we do our accounting. Our accounting system is very transparent, and official from NSP Canada can observe into our accounting system at any given time. Thank you.
I have Mr. Gyan Bahadur Ghalan with me. He is the board secretary of Nepal School Projects. He would like to shed some light on the works that we have been doing at our project areas.
नमस्कार, म ज्ञान बहादुर घलान, म यहाँको बोर्ड सचिव र हामीले चाहिँ यो नेपाल स्कुल प्रोजेक्ट चाहिँ 45 सालदेखि गर्दै आएको हो. उहाँको संस्थामा काम गर्दै आएको. धेरै राम्रो कामहरू गर्नुभयो उहाँहरूले. धेरै ठाउँमा स्कुलहरू, चर्कीहरू र बाटोहरू सहित उहाँहरूले बनाइदिनु भयो. अहिलेसम्म अझै पनि उहाँहरूले धेरै विकास गर्नुहुन्छ भन्ने आशा राखेको छ क्यानाडियन संस्थालाई.
Mr. Ghalan just said that he's been working with NSP since very long, and NSP has been working since more than 35 years now. NSP has done a lot of tremendous works in the villages. At Danapari area, NSP has built schools, built toilets, built trail roads, and done everything that is possible. And he hopes that NSP will continue to do such fabulous works more in future.
अझै पनि केही वर्ष हाम्रो गाउँतिरको विकासहरू बाँकी छ, उहाँहरूले हेर्नुहुन्छ भन्ने आशा राखेको छ.
There are a lot of things to be done in the villages, a lot of developmental works to be done, and he hopes that NSP will continue assisting NSP Nepal in its endeavor.